Hey everyone, and welcome to another Draw With Me video. I just wanted to try something a little bit different for the header of this episode, and yeah, so I hope you guys are having a fantastic weekend, or I should say week. Wrong part of the week, my god, what's wrong with me? So I wanted to get into doing some more sticker pages, and I had this really cute idea of, you know, things with cute little faces and like teacups and planter boxes and just tons of cute things like that. So I wanted to use that and draw some adorable things. But how are you guys doing? I hope you guys are having a fantastic week. FYI, one of my mom's favorite flowers is a poppy, so that's what's in that little bear. It's a little poppy plant, so cute, and things like flower pots and adorable things like that. What's not to love? But yeah, I just wanted to tell you guys a little bit about myself. If you don't already know me, I work full-time in the animation industry, and twice a week we do background breakdowns and clip breakdowns on my Twitch stream. So if you guys haven't followed or gone to check that out, definitely go give that a follow if you haven't already. And we also do a lot of art challenges on the Discord. Every month we've got a new challenge, and it's totally free. Everyone can take part, so I hope you guys decide to take part in that art. Oh right, I totally forgot, I'm drinking this wild berry tea here. I was like, oh, I'm drinking, you know, like my favorite, which is Earl Grey, but I'm totally not even drinking Earl Grey. Oh my god, what's wrong with me? But let me know what kind of style of videos you guys like better. If you like, you know, my witch video and this video have the top-down view, whereas the rest of them are just the video. I'm also trying to figure out, again, how to stream or how to showcase the breakdowns that I do for the backgrounds, what makes them good or bad, and also the video clips. I'm just not really sure how to get around that because, you know, copyright and stuff. I don't want to get in trouble on my YouTube channel, but I hope you guys have been enjoying the whole art thing. I've definitely clearly strayed away from the Fimo and everything else, but it's nice to be back to doing YouTube videos. It's been quite a long time since I've done them, and it's just really enjoyable to be back in this place. If you guys didn't know, I've been on YouTube for many years, and then I ended up finding Twitch, and I just liked the community aspect of it more, so I took a very, very long break, a hiatus, if you will, from YouTube, just trying to figure myself out and what it is that I really want. Because it's definitely something that you have to play around with. It's you know, it's a crazy thing trying to figure out what you want to do all the time. So, you know, I feel like every decade it might be a good time to check in and see how you're doing, you know? But yeah, that was the end of the actual footage of the top down, but definitely went in and also, you know, finished up all of the other flowers. I like to do my outline first, and then from there, then from there I like to go in and do a mask layer so that I don't have to worry about anything going outside of the mask. So I'll just fill everything that's going to be colored, and I also gave the background a bit of a gray tint so that I could see what I was doing. I kind of, I don't know about you guys, but I like to stay on the pastel-y side of things normally, so it's kind of fun to try and play around and, you know, see what colors tickle my fancy in that day. But I like to always start with my my flats and then go in with some darks first and then go in with my highlights. It's just the way I like to work. Everyone kind of has their own thing. But yeah, I hope you guys are having a fantastic evening. And today my Isabel video came out. I hope it does well. I just realized I have to do a clip for it. And tomorrow we're gonna be doing a new clip on stream. I'm really looking forward to doing that with the community. So, oh my goodness. There I am going in with the darks I've been doing a lot of sticker sheets too. It's been so fun to do sticker sheets, and I've just been printing them all out, and I'm trying to debate if I've made them a little bit too small. Hubby thinks that they look fine, but he's the one that brought it up in the first place, that they might be a little bit on the small side. But if he says that they're fine, I mean, I guess they're okay. But I realize I say "but" a lot. I gotta work on this. I do apologize, guys. How are we already at the end of June? What is going on? Where does the time go? I swear, this whole year has been unreal for many reasons, which we do not need to get into. Look how much nicer things look when you just put a layer of things on it. Anyways, hope to see you guys on the Twitch channel, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye, everyone!